Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic, flower. This is for the month of December. So draw a circle and draw one petal on top and bottom. One is in right and other one is in a left. And again draw a petals in between. And draw the stem and a leaf. And draw another leaf. So now take a brown color and color inside the circle. Take yellow color and color it completely yellow. Color yellow for all the petals. Color it very neatly and very dark, because yellow color is very light color. So when you are coloring very dark, then only it will looks very good. Take a green color and color it for the stem and for the leaf. So here our flower is ready. The second topic is ear bud printing. This is for the month of December. So now draw a tree, Christmas tree. Just draw a curve and small dash. Again draw one curve and a curvy, like this. Then draw parallel line and complete the art. And you should draw the curve like this on top of the tree. And draw one star on top of tree like this. So draw circles on the line where we drawn. We'll go for coloring. So here I am taken a dark green and coloring completely a tree in a green color. Color with the brown color. Now for the star I am going to color yellow. So here coloring is completed. Now I'll take a paint and earbuds. Using a blue color in the earbuds, I'll just tap on the balls like this. See, just I'm tapping. Please, while you're doing, take a help of the elders. So the earbud printing is completed. Now the lines is there, no? The lines I'll draw with the brown color. Okay, the earbud printing is completed. Now we'll go for the third topic. The third topic is things. This is for the month of December. Now we'll draw a spoke. Very easy way, like up and down. Draw one curve and draw parallel line and join. Okay, then now we'll draw a knife, pizza knife, like this, curve and curve, and then draw a holder for the knife. Then a spoon, draw one oval and small slight curve and a parallel line, and then you should curve. So draw the eyes for the spoon, knife and the spoke, eyes and the lips. See, always those three are our best friends, right? Yes. So draw ants. So it looks so cute, right? Now draw the ants like one circle and three fingers. One circle and three fingers. Okay. Drawing is ready. You can color any color as per your wish. I'll use a pink first for the spoke. And then a green color for the knife. And then blue color we'll use for a spoon. So color it completely plain color which you like. And for hands we'll give, for all the hands we'll give same color. Here I'm using a dark blue. So after coloring, it's look like this. The first topic we learned flower. Second topic earbud printing. The third topic things. Thank you.